to show you how to play a simplified version of Gymnopedie number 1 by Erik Satie. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there right there for you. Let's start with the melody. The melody is up here in this, starts on an F sharp right up here, an octave above C. F sharp, A, G, F sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, A, F sharp. You hold that for quite a while, then you do it again. F sharp, A, G, F sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, A, C sharp, F sharp, E, and you hold that for quite a while. And when the melody comes in, you go up to an A, B, C, E, D, B, D, C, B, D. Hold that a little while and then D, E, F, G, A, C, D, E, D, B, D, D, G, F sharp, down to B, A, B, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp and C, F sharp and D. It ends with a major sound right there. And that's the first ending. And then it just repeats the same thing, only this time it takes a second ending. Now the second ending, what's different there is the last little bit there, where it goes D, G, F, instead of F sharp, right there it'll go to an F, and then B, C, F, E, D, C. Remember the first time we were going C sharp, D, E. This time it loses the C sharp and it goes down with it. E, D, C, E, D, C, F, and then G, G and C, and an F and D. So a G and C, and an F and D is the way it ends. Instead of the F sharp that it ends the first time. Now the left hand, we're going to play it all in one octave. That's what I've simplified. The right hand I didn't simplify at all, but the left hand I've simplified it and getting rid of the chords, and I just have the bass note and a second note in the chord. So we start off with G, B, D, C sharp, does it again, and again. That's the first thing we play other than G and B, D and C sharp, just alternates through there. Now you can change the dynamic. When you're holding that F sharp, if you want to get louder right there, but it's mostly pretty soft, and occasionally you can make it just a little bit louder if you like to change the dynamics a little bit. But when we get to this C sharp, we change to an F sharp A, and then we go to a B and a D, and then we go all the way down to this E, and we have an E and a G in the left hand twice, and then a D and an F, and then down to an A and up to an A in the right hand. Contrary motion, we move to the A's. Now here we're going to have the A and the C, and then we go to a D and a B, D and a B, D and a C, D and a C, again a D and a C, then we have a D and an A, a D and a B, a D and a C, a D and an F sharp. Then we have our first ending where we got E and a G, scales up, F sharp and an A, down to B and a D, E and a C sharp, E and a C sharp, E, A, B, A, D. And that'll end at that first time. So we're going to start right before the D and the B. So we'll start on that low A, where we've got contrary motion to the A's. Now I think the melody sounds nice if you just lift off it once in a while. Just back off a couple of notes and just lift off of it. It makes it sound a little better, I think. Now all of those were starting on D. So we got D and B twice, D, then we got 3 D C's, D, C, D, C, then we've got a D, A, a D, B, a D, C, and it ends with a D, F sharp. We go to an E, E, G, F sharp, down to a B, then to a E, C sharp. So you got B, D, E, C sharp, E, A, B, A. That C sharp and the E go together, or this C sharp and this E, and then when you play this C sharp, you've got a D that resolves to that E and then C sharp. So it does that twice. The G and goes right with the B in the left hand. And we go back to everything's the same until we get to that D, F sharp. Then we go to, so we're going to go to an E, G, then E, D, E, C, 3 times E, C. Then the left hand is the same as the beginning, as the first time. E, A, B, A. But we'll change and we'll play a D and an A on that last note. So we'll have an F and a D, and a D and an A on the last note. So that second ending, the tag ending. There's where you come E, D, C twice, E, D, C, then down to the F. And here we go to a G and a C. First time we had an F sharp and a C. But here we're going to have a G and a C. And then we're going to have a F and a D in the right hand, and a D and an A in the left hand. There you have it, Gymnopedie number 1. It's a simplified version. I simplified the left hand, but it's still beautiful. Classical music, 20th century. Hope you enjoy it.